Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to create and run Hello World app in React Native. Start the Visual Studio Code editor. Open the terminal window. Type the following command to create React Native app: npx @react hyphen native hyphen community slash cli latest space init space app name like test1 and press the enter key. Click on file menu, then open folder. Select the test1 project. Open the app.tsx file. Delete the entire code. Type the following code to display hello message on the screen. Import space react from inside the single quote react and semicolon. This statement import the React library which is required for using JSX and creating other component. Now we have to type another import statement. Import inside the curly bracket we have to type view comma text from React Native React hyphen native. This statement import two components from the React Native library. First component is view, second component is text. View component act as a container and similar to div in the web development. Text component is used to display text. It is similar to label component in the web development. After the import statement, we have to define arrow function. For this, we have to type const space app name, which is test1, equal to round bracket start and close, equal to arrow curly bracket start and close and semicolon. This statement defines the arrow function which contain a return statement. So inside this function we have to use return statement, return round bracket start and close. The return statement contains the code which display user interface on the screen. Inside the return statement we have to use the container component which is view. Inside the view, we have to use text component to display text message like welcome to computer science tutorial. After arrow function, we have to use the export default statement. Export default. After this, we have to type the app name which is test1 and semicolon. The export default statement make the component available for the main application entry file which is index.js. So this is our basic structure of Hello World app. Now we have to run our app. For this, open the terminal and split it into two parts. Into the second terminal, launch the emulator. Emulator space abd space abd name which is pixel 4 and press the enter key. Now we have to run our app. For this we have to type the following command: npx space react hyphen native space run hyphen android and press the enter key. Here you can see that our message is displayed. Welcome to computer science tutorial. Now we have to apply some style code which is used to display this message into the center of the screen. For this, type the style attribute, style equal to curly bracket start, and once again curly bracket start. Inside this curly bracket, we have to type flex colon 1 comma justify content center comma align item colon center. Now we have to save our file by pressing Ctrl S. Here you can see that welcome to computer science tutorial is displayed at the center of screen. Now we can also change the font size of this message. For this, type the style attribute inside the text component equal to double curly bracket. Inside this curly bracket we have to use the font size colon 30. Save the file by pressing Ctrl S. Here you can see that the font size of the text is increased automatically.